Guys, welcome back to Nerd Chic. I've been asked to show folks how to turn on the ability for their public posts to be commented on publicly. So I'm inside of Facebook. The first thing I'm going to do is going to click the three lines. Some of you have it at the top of your screen. Sometimes it's at the bottom. It's at the bottom of mine. I'm clicking the three lines and opening up all of my ability to touch my content. Then I'm going to go down here to Settings and Privacy. I'm going to click that. And inside of there, I'm going to click Settings. And inside of Settings, you've got all this stuff in here. In here, you can control who can tag you and everything like that. That's important. I've got it that am the only one that posts on my profile, that everyone can see my posts on my profile. I want to have everyone. I want everyone to be able to share posts and see my stories. My tagging, I can allow everyone to see it. And then if I'm tagged in a post, I only want me to see it unless, whatever, and I want to review it. So that's the first thing. Before I turn on my public view, I have this, or public commenting, I have this set up this way. I have only me, everyone on, everyone, only me, on. That's the way I like it. And that's very secure. Then I go into here and I scroll down. And it says public post right under privacy. Click public posts. And inside of here, you want to have who can follow me, public. And then who can see your followers on your timeline, public. So now people can follow you and not have to friend you. That's a very important thing if you're an influencer. Everyone can see them now, so public. And then down here, public post comments. This is the one I'm getting asked about. Choose who's allowed to comment on your public posts. People tagged in your public posts and their friends may still be able to comment. And you want this if you're becoming an influencer. It'll allow people to comment on your post without being your friend and without being related to you or the post. So you click public and then public post notifications. So you can click everyone. And then if you want your public profile info to be more secure, you can put friends on there. You see, so I can control that. And so that's it. Really, inside of here, the two things you want to do is control your tagging first so that not everybody can tag you anything. It goes straight to your timeline. And then your public post is directly under it. So let me show you again. You're clicking the three lines if you're at the home page. So let's go back to home. I click the three lines and then I scroll down on here. I go down to Settings and Privacy. Click that. Click Settings. Scroll down. And then I've got Profile and Tagging. You're going to take care of those settings. And you can see what I did here. You can take a screenshot if you want to follow that and do it. And then public post, you can see what I did here. I have it public, 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 everyone, friends. You get it? So that's the way I've got this set up. A lot of folks have been asking, how can I make it so that my posts are public and everyone can see them, so that if I'm growing a multi-level marketing business or a social networking business, people can get to me, they can follow me and not have to friend me, and they can learn from me, if it's team members, but also that if I've got folks that are coming on who aren't quite yet a client, they can interact with my post and be updated when I comment on those posts. And this is it. So make your public posts able to have public post comments right there by clicking public. All right, that's it. Thanks for tuning into Nerd Chic. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If this has helped you, give us a thumbs up. And then, of course, we've got other channels and everything. Check out AskTheNerd.net on our website for so much more. Y'all take care. Blessings. Bye.